Good day guys, it's me again and I got the new DJI O4 Pro in the mail today. So I decided to just open it up together with you just to see what's inside. And then I'm gonna show you how to activate your new air unit. So let's get right into it. Okay now, so I put the O4 Lite box right next to the O4 Pro just to give you an idea of how big this box actually is compared to the O4 Lite. But we're gonna put this away for now and we're just gonna focus on the beautiful O4 Pro. So we're gonna open this carton up and we'll be immediately greeted by the hardware. There's this little pull tab down here and that pulls the whole thing out. We got a manual, of course, and this is it. This is our air unit. We got the camera already attached to the module and the antennas already attached to the module as well. Other than that, we get some silica gel, of course, and this is the cable to connect the air unit to the flight controller. So the next step is to activate the air unit so that we can actually use it. Okay, once we're on our computer, the first thing we're gonna do is open up the web browser and download the DJI Assistant 2 app. I'm gonna put a link for this website in the video description. Once that's done, we're gonna open the DJI Assistant app and log in with our account that we earlier created on the DJI website or the DJI app on our phone. So once that's done, we need to make sure our air unit is powered on correctly through its power plug. You can see here I'm using my bench power supply to supply the necessary voltage to the air unit. Once it's powered on, you can see a green solid light. After that, we're gonna plug in the USB cable to our computer. Make sure to use sufficient ventilation so your air unit does not overheat. So once we have a connection, our air unit will pop up on the top left of our screen. You don't have to allow this. And we're gonna click on it and it's gonna ask us if we want to start the activation. Just make sure this is the account you want your air unit to be associated with. Confirm your activation and after a couple seconds, we're all done with the activation of our air unit. So now we can just access our air unit and this is also where we can do firmware updates, which is quite important. So here you can see the current firmware I'm on and at this time there are no available updates for me. And that's it. This is all you need to know on how to activate your O4 air unit. I hope this was helpful and see you guys soon.